Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. And in our news items for today, Microsoft is laying off more people. So, of course, beginning of the year, we learned that Microsoft wanted to lay off about 10,000 employees, or roughly 5% of its workforce. Now, apparently, a lot of tech analysts have noticed that a lot of workers in LinkedIn that had Microsoft in their title are changing their LinkedIn to other things. And it kind of shows that maybe layoffs are a little more than predicted. And of course, a couple of analysts have contacted Microsoft about it. Microsoft doesn't say the number of people, but it confirms that it's laying off another round of employees. You know, we talked about a news item about a month ago about how the employees at Microsoft are kind of in a negative phase. They're not really happy at work, and that the layout possibility is kind of giving the employees more of a negative effect than positive at the workplace. So that they're not that happy. One of the worst parts of this is that since the beginning of 2023, Microsoft's business has been growing and actually giving really good results. And this is the sad part when you look at companies like this that actually are doing well, and yet still they are laying off people. It's not cool. You know that the tech sphere for the last year has had a hard time. They have a hard time adjusting, and they're the hardest hit after the pandemic. But the problem is that companies like Microsoft are not in trouble, not in financial trouble. Of course, they got to be careful, but still, the second round of layoffs, I think, is a little surprising for a lot of people. So, what do you guys think about this? Do you think Microsoft is laying off too many people? Should it keep those people in the workforce and actually improve a lot of the problems that we actually have talked about in the last few months? I think maybe that is something to think about, readjusting itself and keeping your employees, but and maybe making changes that they feel more secure and happy at work. To also that will also show up in our own windows and our own services that we get from the company. So what do you guys think of the layoffs? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.